Welcome to South Carolina.
All right, we're back with Sundays with Nugget. We got a good one for y'all today. We are on the road heading to South Carolina, and we're going to see some family over there. So grab your cup of coffee, sit back, enjoy the journey with us, and hopefully y'all have as much fun as we're going to. There he is. Say hi, Nug. Where you going, buddy? Hang on a second. Look at that big heron right there. We saw another heron. Look at the size of him, buddy. He is big. He just stopped off at a little rest stop. Give Nugget a chance to get outside a little bit. Checking out the place. Here by a real nice lake. For those of y'all that don't have this in your area, that is kudzu. It's a real invasive species of stuff, or plants, or weeds, or whatever you want to call it. I think it originally came from Japan, but it grows excessively and just takes over everything. In a lot of southern states, we got this stuff everywhere, and they try to control it. But it just keeps growing and growing and growing and taking over the trees, and areas start looking like this. Haven't found a way to slow it down. I think only burning it slows it down. Oh. Get a little break out of the car, buddy. Get back on the road. Gonna get to see Maddie here in a little bit. Who's that up there? Who's that guy? Never met a stranger. One of the things y'all want to do when you're traveling on the road with your pup is make sure they got water, something to play with, some snacks, and toys. Well, that didn't go as planned. We had a big video, thought we were going to have a big video for y'all, but it didn't turn out that way. We went to our families in South Carolina, and it started out pretty good, talking about kudzu and showing y'all some trails sort of near where they're at, just a little over the state line from Georgia to South Carolina. And it rained. I mean to tell y'all, it rained and rained and rained. We were cooped up in the house, and that wasn't a bad thing. We got to spend time with my niece, Madison. I think I can throw a picture of her up with Nugget. She loves him. They love each other, y'all, and that was fun to see. But to get out and do something fun for y'all, we were planning on going around the lake and maybe doing some fishing and hanging out, and none of that happened. So I guess the moral of the story is everything doesn't always go the way it's planned, and Mother Nature threw us a curveball, and that's okay. Um, Hopefully next week's will be better, and hopefully y'all have a great Sunday. Thanks for coming along with us. And as always, remember, the Nugget loves you. Say goodbye, buddy. Say goodbye. All right, y'all. We'll see you next week.